Miss Transformers 96 here, another review. This time, Marvel Universe, Savage, Frost Giant, and Loki figure. So here you go. So this is a big figure, and it's taken me a long time to get this review out. I bought this guy like maybe a month and a half ago, and I just haven't been reviewing him. He's a big guy. He really doesn't fit on my normal place. And today I was filming something that required me to clear out my entire shelf right here, which usually is covered in toys. So because of that, I realized, oh, I can now finally do his review. So finally getting this out. Terribly sorry for the wait, but yes. So I got this guy about a month and a half ago at a Wal-Mart. It took me 7 Wal-Marts to find this guy. Yeah, because he's a Wal-Mart exclusive. Very hard to find back then. Since then, I have found him in one other place, one other Walmart. So he's starting to come up a little bit more now that it's been so long. But back when, it was way hard to find this guy. So yeah, so finally found him, which was awesome. I really wanted to get him, and I finally found him eventually. So here you go. So here's Loki. As you can see, here's a 3 3/4 inch figure compared to this guy. Obviously very large. But here's Loki. It's a nice comic version of Loki. Pretty good. The coloring and detail and everything, his legs and everything, is pretty fantastic. His leg joints are loose, but other than that, it's okay. Some great paint apps and everything. Good face, love the little ponytail. And for an accessory to this guy, to the Frost Giant, it is a very nice sculpted toy. Articulation, it's got a ball jointed head, ball hinge upper torso, ball jointed upper torso, ball hinge shoulders, swivel bicep, double hinge elbows, just a hinge elbow, swivel wrist, and let me lower this more. Ball jointed thighs, double hinge knees, and a hinge swivel ankle. So very nice articulation, and just a really nice Loki figure altogether. But you're not buying this guy for the Loki figure. You're buying it for the Frost Giant, of course. So now the Frost Giant is one big toy. It's been so long I can barely remember how many inches he is. I think he's like 12. I think he's 12 inches. He's just very large, pretty tough, just big. He's got some muscles here. He's got some good articulation, and he's got some accessories. So first, let's go over articulation. Articulation, he's got a ball jointed head, which is nice. An ab crunch, ball hinge shoulder, swivel bicep, hinge, hinge elbow, and then a swivel hinge wrist, which is awesome. Love that. A ball hinge thigh with a thigh swivel, but it's hindered. You can really only swivel it. You can go in and out just a bit though. Double hinge knees, and a hinge. Let me see here. Swivel. No, it's not a swivel. It's just a hinge. It kind of tilts out like this, but it's mostly just a hinge ankle, but some great articulation. The ab crunch is very interesting. I do not have a lot of toys with ab crunches. This might be my only one. I'm trying to think of another one. I can't think of it. So it's very strange to see that type of joint. Normally it's a ball jointed upper torso, but it's an ab crunch, which is neat. I like it. So good articulation. Detail. This is where this guy really exceeds. His plating and armor's all scratched up. It looks very much like metal, which is really cool. He's got the fur on his shoulders is very nice, and it's highlighted in silver in places. It looks great. The blue on him is fantastic. All the different shades of blue and how they mesh together is great. The detailing in his little skirt here, I guess you can call him the rope, is absolutely fantastic. There's great detailing throughout the thing, and his Cyclops-looking feet here, just fantastic detailing. There's his number and everything, and he is just awesome. He's pretty heavy, he's big, he's just very cool. Some comparisons with him. First of all, I have this comparison. Right here, with the movie Frost Giants. As you can see, quite a difference from the movie to that comic versions, that's for sure. And one more comparison, we have, of course, you have to have Galactus. So as you can see, Galactus is much taller than him. Galactus is a 19-inch figure, the tallest figure that I own. So this guy's like 12. This is like the second tallest figure, or maybe third. But so yeah, so very cool. So he's a tall figure, not quite as tall as Galactus, but he's supposed to be shorter than Galactus, a lot shorter actually. So yeah, so very cool. His accessories are very nice. He comes with this axe, which is really nice, very well sculpted. It's all filled in right here, making it very top heavy, which is kind of neat. And all the wood and everything, and all the bandages and everything in the axe handle is just awesome. He does have a hinge in his fingers on his left hand, so you can hinge his fingers. Oh, they're all actually all separate, so that's kind of neat. So you can have him flip off your family, which is kind of neat. So yes, but you can actually have him hold this. He doesn't hold it fantastic, but he does hold it like this, so that's very nice. Oh yeah, so yeah, that it opens. But yeah, you can have him point. You can have him do pretty much whatever. So yes, so very cool. Then his next accessory I really like. I think it's very cool and just very nice. It's the helmet, which is awesome. It's like supposed to be like a skull with some wood. Or I don't know, some bone, spikes in there, with a hole in there, with some scars and everything. Looks great, and you just place it right over the face, and he looks awesome this way. Very cool. Unfortunately, I really can't display him like that, because where I keep him, he just has enough clearance for it. So, like, he's fine over here, like, the shelf is, like, right over him, but even if you put this on, he can't even fit under there. So, it's a shame you can't get him to hold it, which I have to do. So yeah, you can just kind of, I don't know, shove it in there, but he can hold it, and he can hold it very nicely. So there you go, just kind of hold it like this. So he is a very nice toy. This is $25, and that's a great buy. Seriously, it really is. This Galactus right here costs $50, and I wouldn't say that Galactus is double this guy. He's almost double, I'd say. And then we both come with an extra figure. Galactus comes with some light up sounds and everything, but he comes with 2 accessories. So yeah, it's pretty 50-50. I still think that if you have to pick between 2 of the big characters from Marvel Universe, between this guy and Galactus 100%, even with the extra money. But still, this guy is a great pickup. There's another big figure that's from the same wave as him. I saw it when I went there. I just have no interest in it. I don't even know who the character is. So yeah, but this is a great pickup. I highly recommend that you pick it up, and just great. So if you like the Frost Giants, you will not be disappointed in this figure. If you like the way it looks, you can't be disappointed. So if you like it, then definitely buy it. If you don't like the way it looks, then don't buy it. But it's a very nice pickup. So there you go. So that's my very review of Marvel Universe Savage, Frost Giant, and Loki figure toy review. Thanks for watching.